running.
Why would you not?
Why would you not run? This is what it's like when we rope drop for a brand new ride. Hi everybody, I am back at Hollywood Studios. Today we are here for one thing and one thing only. Well, maybe two things, but one thing. Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. I am here today with my buddy Kevin from Married to Chaos. Kevin. We are gonna go ride this crazy ride. Come on, let's do it. Snaking around. Yep. Yeah, we got this entire queue set up. Look at it. At some point today, this is gonna wind up filling up, don't you think?
What, all of this?
Oh, all this. They're gonna queue this up. Hidden Mickeys. Hidden Mickeys everywhere.
2013.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I feel like the Von Trapp family in that one scene. Good morning, welcome. Good morning. 120 minutes? That ain't too bad. So this ride hasn't been open since August of 17, when the Great Movie Ride finally closed down. So it's been 3 years since we've been allowed back in here. It's crazy. And it looks exactly the same as it did when it closed. So
folks, want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there? Do you mind helping these good people into the cargo room while I fix this here locomotive?
Sounds like a lot of paperwork, but okay.
Thanks! Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up!
I don't even know where that hole came from. No one was... What? Oh man.
Now be sure to stay on your seats and keep your watch on your new Please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs.
Something tells me that was self-appointed. Thank you. Oh, yeah. A little tight. It's alright. Oh, the joys of being a party of two. Man, we have the whole back row to ourselves. This is great. Oh, we're pulling the bar down. We're new to this.
I've never done this before.
Have you ever ride, bro? Alright, here we go. Chugga chugga, everybody.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
2, 3. Oh, excellent! You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's conga!
My guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. Are you
Fantastic, seriously fantastic. That was awesome. So much fun. And I don't know about you, but I could tell a couple spots from the old ride that one of the last rooms that you went into was definitely from the Wizard of Oz scene. And then that one part with Daisy Duck was interesting to me because that felt very much like Mystery Manor and how some of the rooms are set up in Mystery Manor. Oh, there's so much to go over. Man, so good. Here at the exit, they've actually got a full little merch shop here with everything Runaway Railway. These goofy hats are everything. I absolutely love them. And on the back, they got the Runaway Railway logo there. Some of the new shirts they have available now. And then here are the ears they actually came out with. Got a little train on top. and they're debuting some of these new ears. These are the classic Mickey ears here. And then here are the Minnie version of the ears. Oh, and I am convinced that these train whistles are going to become a thing. We're going to be hearing a lot of whoop, whoop. Oh. And they got lots of cute options for the little ones. This is probably my favorite one of all the kids' shirts because, yeah, everything goes wrong. And these are so dang cute. Look at these things. I love ride vehicle toys, and this is by far one of my favorites now. The only thing I would like to see, though, is Goofy there in the back window. Honey, I know you're going to want this, so I'm showing it to you now because you're going to want this for the little one because it is adorable. And it's only $35. Not bad. I love the limited release magic band that they got going on. It is so cute. This isn't the pass holder one, but this is just the limited run that they're going to have. I like this one better than the pass holder one. That's new. So that was nice. I mean, we got in at Park Open and we were out of that ride in 30 minutes. They were moving us quick. That was very nice. Big shift compared to how they did things for Rise of the Resistance. Yeah, you can see why they pulled out the Star Wars show because they needed all this room for the queue line for Runaway. I mean, we were actually all all the way over there, way out by the front, and none of this was filled. Now all it's filled. Yeah, we've been open for a couple minutes now, and we're already at 300 minutes.
300 minutes.
It's now 8 o'clock park open, 300 minutes. So along with MMRR, we also have Vacation Fun, an original animated short with Mickey and Minnie. And what I've been told is they got a couple really cute photo ops afterwards. Let's go check it out. Yeah, so they got a couple different little photo ops here. Like this one's from Yodelberg. So if you look at it like this, it's like a postcard of you being able to climb the mountain. Oh, and over here we're in China. Here's the Great Wall. And then of course, Potato Land, Potato Land. And look, there's a potato. They got like a little Indiana Jones little setup over here too. I love the torch they got over here. And then you just go right into the theater. Yeah, I love what they did inside here. So over here at Carthay Circle, they've actually got the event merchandise for today. These are items that were today only. And, ooh, look at that line. Ooh, mercy. Yeah, they say it's about a 30-minute wait, but I don't think that's a 30-minute wait. And then they also have the annual pass holder merch. They have a shirt there. I really like that band. I'm not gonna lie.
I like the band too.
The annual pass holder one, it's really nice.
This is just today's too. It's not
Yeah,
gonna be here
it's
tomorrow.
today only.
Oh, today
And then
only.
I think the pins are awesome too.
Oh, don't tell me this.
No, you don't. And I'm Officer Percival Peabody of the Hollywood Police Department. If there's trouble around, I'm in it.
And I'm Betty Shambles, reminding everyone here that, while I may never be a trophy wife, I could sure be a commemorative pledge.
Yeah!
Thanks for joining us. Now we ask you go forth.
Go famous!
Go fabulous here at Disney's Hollywood Studios.
All right, well, that was a short one. It's because I wanted to keep it short today because there wasn't a whole lot to do other than ride Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. I had an absolute fantastic time on that ride. I'm looking forward to doing it again, bringing the whole family. It's so much fun. So many elements that you just did not see coming. It's really good and definitely worth waiting the 3 years to open the Chinese theater back up. So that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Kevin, for coming along today. Make sure to follow his channel, Married to Chaos. That's married, number 2, Chaos. I am Michael, the Parks Pal. Thanks again. We'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.